Said I'm taking big shots, just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. Just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. This hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots. They been trying to get me cheap like a thrift shop, but I told them it's my time, shit the wristwatch. They been talking way before they even doing something. Whoa. If they wanna play, let's get a tip off. Ain't no silver lining, dawg, this some rose gold. Getting new money, I'm a old soul. Yeah, I get it bouncing like a pogo. And I'm too cold like...
With Instant, you can now build cards your way. Beautiful, custom, and perfectly on brand. And every feature you may expect from a card is there. From reward bars, to payment icons, to filled and empty states, recommended products, countdowns, you name it. And of course, in combination with the power of our visual canvas, which means true customizability. Let's not waste any more time and dive right into how you can create a custom card drawer for your store. The easiest way to get started is by picking a template and customizing it. And we have created a wide variety of cards to choose from. Let's select this template right here. We can see a card with a filled state that contains a reward bar, product recommendations, and of course the products that you have in your cart. The empty state of this card includes a CTA and helpful navigation elements that guide customers to different product categories to explore. And everything you see can be customized, from how the card appears with different animations to the colors and even details like the border radius of the progress bar. The possibilities are endless. Besides choosing a template as your starting point, you can also skip the template library and build your card completely from scratch. The starting point has a basic header, footer, and product overview. Within the insert panel under Elements and Card, we can find all the new card elements that will enable us to turn this starting point into the exact card we want. The header and footer, product items, product upsells, the card reward bar, card add-on, card countdown, and payment icons. Let's go over all the different card elements and start with dragging in the product upsell element into our cart. This element is a product slider that showcases related products or a collection of products. It's a great way to encourage customers to discover more items and increase their average order value. Next up is the card reward bar. With it, you can set a threshold based on card value that unlocks a reward. For example, offering free shipping when the total order goes above $50. Once the threshold is met, you have full control over the active state of the reward bar, allowing you to customize exactly what the bar looks like when the reward is unlocked. With the card add-on, customers can easily add extras like shipping protection to their order. In this case, look for the shipping protection product, which is a digital product you can easily create within Shopify, then connect it, and you're done. The card countdown enables you to increase urgency by setting a time at which the card will expire. You can determine whether the countdown resets each time someone adds or removes a product from the cart. And last but not least are payment icons, which will be dynamically pulled from your Shopify store. The cart you built in Instant works as a standalone layout type, so you don't have to build anything else to use the cart drawer in your Shopify store. But of course, you can now combine your Instant navigation with your Instant cart to create the perfect on-brand and seamless experience. To publish the cart, you simply click on Publish within the builder. When the cart is published, you can then open its settings and click on Set as Main Cart. When we head over to Shopify, we can now see the cart in action. If we add a product to the cart, you can see that the cart drawer opens. And when we click on the cart icon in the header, the cart drawer we have built with an Instant also opens. And that's it for cart. It's available on the Pro plan as of today, and there are no limitations on orders, there's no revenue share or any other weird limitation. We can't wait to see all the beautiful cards you will build and maybe even more important, all the additional revenue it will help you generate.